Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today is we're replacing the Serpentine belt. And we gotta take this plastic off, but it's got some cracks in it now, and it's just time to do it. Also, we're servicing the AC, so we're gonna be in here, so might as well do it while we're at it here. We gotta take this plastic off. And we got 3 bolts up here, and they're T20. Go. So let's go ahead and get a wrench on our pulley here, and we gotta remove the belt, and it's gonna be a 9/16. Alright, put pressure on it. Now you can back the belt off here. There we go. Alright, so our belt's off now. So all we're simply going to do is look up so you know which the order it goes in, which pulleys it goes around. And we can go ahead and remove it all the way to the top there. And we'll go ahead and put the new one on. So you can see how that goes up, loops around. So you can take this off of here. Alright, so there's our old one. You can see it's all cracked. And this is our new one, and that's the part number for it. And kind of just size them up, and they're around the same size, so hopefully that's the right one. So we can start up at the top here, feed this down through. Get that right on there. And it's gonna go behind here, just like that. It's gonna go up and on top of this one roller right here. Two hands here. Now this is going to go on top of here. So that comes down off that pulley right there and loops over the top and underneath. And then around here, and there we go. So now we need to go ahead and pull on this with our 9/16, and we'll be able to get it on there. There we go. Make sure everything's all lined up. There you go. Simple as that. New Serpentine belt on. And we can look from up top here. You can see the belts on there correctly. So just remember how it goes on. I mean, you could figure it out just by the length of the belt and going around. And you got 6 pulleys there. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So easy as that. Serpentine belt. Just needed a 9/16 if you're doing a Nissan here. Kind of the same with other vehicles. They're pretty simple to do. But once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.